morning children, how are you today? Today I will discuss in language. My topic is solution of diagnosis test subject language. Okay. Now student, I hope you had given this paper very carefully, but today I will discuss its solution. So let's start this paper. My first question is A. Choose the correct answer. So student, here first question, is this your cap or dash? A. Our, B. It, C. His, or D. Them. Here, is this your cap or dash? So cap for person. So correct answer C. His. Is this your cap or his? Okay. Now 2. Look at that house. How dash burn? So house is neuter. So it. Correct answer it, be, they, her, be, you. So correct answer A. It. Look at that house. How it burns. Number 3. That hat must be dash sir. Options are given: A. His, B. Theirs, C. Yours, D. Ours. That hat must be yours, sir. Next, number 4. Jasmine was tired dash she went to bed early. So Jasmine was tired, so she went to bed early. Correct answer so. Next, number 5. I want to go to both the bird park dash the zoo. I want to go to both the bird park and the zoo. Here two things: bird park and the zoo. Number 6. I saw dash ox. So ox start on vowel O. So correct answer N. I saw an ox. My brother lives in dash Punjab. A and the, none of this. Your correct answer the. So Punjab is a proper place. Number 8. The child's mother dash not come today. The child's mother has not come today. Next, number 9. The girl was the long brown hair dash my niece. The girl with the long brown hair. Correct answer is the girl with the long brown hair is my niece. Number 10. I was late dash I did not miss the bus. I was late but I did not miss the bus. Here preposition, conjunction but I was late but I did not miss the bus. Next, B. Write down the possessive form of the following. Here some students are giving mistakes. So here apostrophe, we put apostrophe. The feet of the geese, 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 put apostrophe after S, the geese's feet. The purses of the ladies, so the ladies' purses. Ladies means LADIES apostrophe after right purses. The tails of the foxes, so foxes plural form. The foxes apostrophe tails. The laughter of the children, so the children apostrophe S means the children's laughter. The legs of the buffaloes, here plural form. The buffaloes put apostrophe legs. The buffaloes legs. The cries of the babies, babies plural form. The babies put apostrophe and the cries. Okay. Now next, here I will take right answer. Here he is then your eat, your, so, and, anoxes, the, has, then is, and but. Okay. Next, next year, question number 2a. Write the verb is transitive, intransitive, and complement. So first I will read. Ashok wrote a letter. So here wrote means verb is given. Ashok wrote a letter and object also given. Okay. So with object transitive. Next, Hari seems tired. So both verb. So complement sentence. Next, the sun shines, not object given. Intransitive, the boy made a kite. Here, made verb and given with object a kite, transitive. Fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives. Here, the trees are losing dash leaves. Here, trees. Neuter, okay, the trees are losing its leaves. Number 2, the wife is walking with dash husband. So wife here feminine. The wife is walking with her husband. Number 3, where are your books, children? Number 4, you have a name. Your name is Rama. Next, number C. Find the difference between an adverb or an adjective. Now student, find the difference between an adverb and or an adjective. Number 1, Roshan is a fast runner. So your fast adjective. Okay. So difference adverb or an adjective, runner, fast runner. Do not get angry. I only wanted to help you. So adverb. Okay. Wanted to help you. They buy magazines which appears weekly. Adverb. Weekly adverb. Who is that little girl? Here little girl. So adjective. Next, he spoke little. Here little. That who is that little girl? So small girl. So adjective, but he spoke little means few. So adverb. Who is that little girl? Who is that little girl? 2 times here given. Adjective. Outlook is a weekly magazine. Weekly. Adjective. And the boy of our school can run fast. So here fast, can run fast. Okay. So adverb. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. He jumped a dash the river. Here move to in speed. He jumped into the river. Take care dash your health. The answer is take care of your health. I complained to the headmaster. She acted against my advice. Number 5. He depends on his friend. B. Underline the conjunction in the following sentences. A. Number 1. Is that boy fat or thin? So here join 2 sentences or 2 words. Or is the conjunction. Bimla is clever but idle. So here clever but idle. But conjunction 2 and 2 make 4. So here and Conjunction. Ashok as well as Raman has failed. As well as. Conjunction. Don't go unless you are called. Here unless is the conjunction. Next, change the number of the following nouns. So here number 1, foot, feet. Number 2, kilo, kilos. But last form only s, not write es form. Number 3, ox, oxen. Number 4, pony, ponies. Remove y, put ies, ponies. Number 5, mouse. So mouse, change the number mice. Number 6, life. So life, remove fe, add ves, lives or lives. Next question number 4, give the feminine of the following. So feminine of the following: son, daughter; cock, hen; king, queen; hero, heroine; sir, ma'am or madam. Next, B. Give the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjective. Number 1, sad; B, noble; 3, hot; 4, industrious; and 5, lucky. Sad. Sad. So here sadder comparative form and saddest superlative form. Here double D E R double D E S T. Number 2, noble; nobler and noblest. So here put only R in comparative form and put only ST superlative form. Hot, hotter and hottest. Here only double T E R, hotter, and double T E S T, hottest. Industrious. Industrious, here comparative form more industrious and most industrious superlative form. Number 5, lucky; luckier and luckiest. Here lucky, so remove y I E R, add then I E S T in superlative form. C. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of adjectives given within brackets. So here identify first degree, comparative form and superlative form, positive form. First number 1, wood is dash then water. So here wood is dash then water. So compare wood and water. So correct answer, lighter. Wood is lighter than water. Number 2, Sunil is the dash boy in the class. Here Sunil, only one student, Sunil. So Sunil is the laziest boy in the class. Number 3, hunger is the dash sauce. Here hunger is the best sauce, good. So good superlative form, best. This book is dash than that. Here good adjective, but this book is better than that. Next number 5, lead is the dash of all metals. Here only lead. Lead is the heaviest of all metals. Number 6, health is dash than wealth. Here comparative degree, health is more important than wealth. Last question number 5. A. Rewrite the following sentences, changing the verb of each so as to so that the action named was going on at the present moment. Student, first understand given instruction. Here was going on at the present moment. So was going, continuous past tense. Okay. Here present moment is given, but we will convert into continuous past tense. The sailors use a shirt. Answer is the tailor was sewing a shirt. Number 2. Passengers wait for the train. Here passengers were wait for the train. Number 3. Mohan writes a letter to his mother. Mohan was writing a letter to his mother. Passengers were waiting for the train. Okay, Mohan writes a letter to his mother. Number 4. They play hockey. They were playing hockey. Again, I will repeat. The tailor was sewing a shirt. Passengers were waiting for the train. Mohan was writing a letter to his mother. They were playing hockey. B. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the as required. Student, here number 3. Remove is your typing mistake. Dash main post office is round. Here is remove. There are 12 months in dash year. So there are 12 months in a year. Dash iron box is heavy. An iron box is heavy. Next, dash main post office is round. The main post office is round. This is a bird. Correct answer, a bird. C. Rewrite the following sentences in the past tense. Here convert into simple past tense. Past tense means simple past tense. A cold wind blows at night. So here change only verb form, means V1 is given, convert into V2. A cold wind blew, BLEW, at night. Number 2. The sun rises in the east. The sun rose in the east. Rises, convert V2 form, rose. Number 3. The artist draws a picture. The artist drew, DREW, drew a picture. Number 4. He loses his way in the forest. So here losses, V2 form lost. He lost his way in the forest. Last question, D. Supply all the necessary punctuation marks and capitals in the following sentences. Here all are given in small form without punctuation marks. So Ashok and Peter went to Agra to see the Taj Mahal. Here first Ashok, proper noun, so A capital after Ashok, and Peter in P capital went to Agra. Agra proper place, so A capital, to see the Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal proper place, so T capital. Number 2. Hari, Lalit and Bali all come to see me. So Hari, Lalit and Bali, proper noun, so H capital in Hari, L capital in Lalit and B capital in Bali. Hari after put comma, Lalit and Bali all come to see me. End of the sentence, put full stop. In first sentence, Taj Mahal after put full stop. Number 3. February comes between January and March. Here February, F capital in February, J capital in January and M capital in March. February comes between January and March, put end of the sentence, full stop. Akbar was the greatest Mughal emperor. Here Akbar, proper noun, A capital in Akbar, was the greatest Mughal, M capital, and emperor, E capital. End of the sentence, put full stop. Understood, student? So that is our language paper. Repeat at home and learn it.